Hi, friends. Happy Tuesday. Good morning. Um, just going to show you guys what we're going to be doing um, today and for this week for a few parts of ELA. As always, you're in the whole Schoology course. We're going to get to, we're going to get to our materials over here. And something that I've noticed once we're in the third grade folder for ELA, there's a must do folder. These are the things that need to get done for ELA and for math. Like I said, we're just going to talk about ELA today. Miss Holt, Miss Wilhelm are in charge of math. But for myself and Miss McLean and Miss Burt, make sure you're working in these three folders. I'm noticing a lot of assignments going undone. So let's make sure that once we leave the Zoom, we're really working on the things that we're talking about. Frindle this week, I've opened up chapters 4 to 6. You are responsible for those 3 chapters. Very similar to last week, there is a discussion board for each chapter, vocabulary work for each chapter. This is throwing some people for a loop. If you need help with the vocabulary, make sure you come visit me in the office hours, or you talk to Miss McLean or Miss Holt on how to submit something through Schoology. I don't want you sharing Google Docs with me. Once you figure out how to submit it through Schoology, it's actually really easy. I would show you here, but I'm logged in as a teacher and I cannot log in as a student. I haven't figured out how to do that yet. And the comprehension questions. For when you're done, chapters 4 to 6. We're getting about, out of 70 people, we're getting about 20 answers, 20 responses. So let's really try, especially since we're having 40 people in the Schoology session or in the Zoom sessions, let's try to get some more people answering questions and getting discussions going. Especially as I'm looking back on the mythology and the poetry. We've got 2 people that have responded to Miss McLean's Pandora's Box story and question set. So make sure you're watching the video, the slideshow, and reading about Pandora's Box. For the poetry as well, we've got about 7 people that have responded to the poetry assignment from Miss Burt. So make sure you're trying your best to get all the must-dos before you go to the optional. If you get your must-dos done, please, by all means, go into the optional folder. We have a new Storytown story this week called Two Bear Cubs, which is actually a neat little story, and it's a play, so that if you have a handful of people in your house, your brothers and sisters, cousins, aunt and uncle, you could read the play. It's a lot of fun. The writing prompts every day, 2 or 3 sentences. Song of the day and postcards. Miss Burt is adding postcard videos every day. Song of the day I'm doing every day. So go ahead and get in there. Math games, brain breaks, the writing contest. Please go ahead. Once you get done the must-dos, go into the optional folder and have a little fun with some of these extra things that you can do. But make sure you're getting into the must-do folder. That's why it's called must-do. See you in the Zoom soon. I really, really miss you guys. I really, really, really hope we get to go back on May 18th and I get a good solid month to hang out and learn some stuff before you guys move on to 4th grade. See you soon.